Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the environment. Install Python 3, 10 or Node 18 on your device and confirm microphone and speaker work. Next, get API keys for speech-to-text and text-to-speech. Store them in a .env file. Once done, install a wake word engine like Porcupine and a lightweight audio recorder library. Make sure to configure permissions so the process can access audio devices, and initialize a Git repo to track changes before you write the first lines of code. Now build the main loop. Detect the wake word, record a short audio buffer, and send it to your SDT provider or local model. Once transcribed, run NLU to extract intent and entities. Use deterministic rules for critical commands and a small ML model for fuzzy language. Then decide actions: local device control, web API calls, or templated responses, and synthesize audio with your TTS. Finally, handle concurrency with async queues so audio I/O never blocks intent processing. To finalize, harden the system. Add robust error handling, retries, and exponential backoff for API calls, and encrypt keys at rest. Deploy your assistant as a service with auto restart and remote logging. Include a simple web UI for settings and voice training. Make sure to run full test suites and gather user feedback to refine intents. If it fails to respond, check mic permissions, confirm wake word sensitivity, and inspect logs for API authentication errors. Those 3 items solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.